Thank you very much for taking the time to speak with me today. We are currently in the process of creating a healthy food truck that will be available to all students and faculty on MSUB's campus. The reason for this food truck is to give a new, healthy, and great tasting option for the hardworking students, athletes, and staff here at MSUB who need a quick meal to carry on with their busy lives. Right now, the only food choice on MSUB's campus is the 3 Sodexo branded locations. Feedback from students is that the ingredients and quality of the food is not healthy and fresh. The locations are not convenient for all students, athletes, and faculty, and that all locations taste the same. To solve these problems, Wraps Attack will provide ingredients that are local, fresh, and healthy. Wraps Attack will also locate its truck next to the clock tower because of its central location on campus. Wraps Attack will also provide a new and exciting taste that is different than Sodexo. Why Wraps Attack? Wraps Attack will have an app that allows you to make orders for pickup, making the trip to work, class, or practice convenient and easy. Wraps Attack's mission is based on a healthy lifestyle and want the best for their customers' health. Wraps Attack is a local business that will put money back into the economy. The menu at Wraps Attack is delicious and packed with protein. The honey garlic roasted chickpea wrap has 360 calories and 19 grams of protein. The buffalo chicken wrap has 319 calories and 36 grams of protein. The tangy veggie wrap has 298 calories and 16 grams of protein. And the smoked salmon cream cheese wrap has 291 calories and 24 grams of protein. We are planning to charge $8 for each wrap. We believe that this is a fair price and competes with other substitutes in the market like Pita Pit and Rockets Wraps downtown Billings. This price also matches the high quality food and quick service that Wraps Attack will provide. After conducting 10 solution interviews with students and athletes at MSUB, we feel that we had a good understanding of the solution to our customers' problems. Here's what we learned. We found that 60% of students and athletes chose having a food truck made with quality ingredients as their main priority. We found that 50% of students and athletes chose having a food truck that is conveniently located on campus as their second priority. Finally, we found that 70% of students voted for a new taste as their third priority solution. The notes from the students and athletes were very positive, and almost all of the candidates wanted to see this food truck happen in the future. The target market for the food truck will be to all the students, athletes, and faculty that spend time on MSUB's campus. Thank you for your time today, and make sure to spread the word that wraps are on the attack.